Hello, today I am showing in Amma Flavors one more dish, quesadillas. Welcome to Amma Flavors. Pan I add butter and now I fry small chunks of without bone chicken. I am adding quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well. Now I am adding bell peppers, tomatoes. This is half bell pepper and one tomato and half onion. Mix well. Quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Add 3 teaspoons of cashew nut powder. Mix well and off the gas. Close the lid. Make whole wheat atta thin roti like this. Fry without oil both the sides. Now we are filling the roti, or you can use tortilla also. Now sprinkle the cheese. Make it fold, and you can keep in toaster oven or direct pan. Turn other side. Now it's ready. It's ready. Now I'm cutting. With pizza cutter. Now Indian version of quesadillas is ready. It's yummy. This is chicken version and with enjoy with hari chutney. This is Indian style quesadilla and this is basically Mexican dish and I made it Indian version. Quesadillas like children and everyone very much and try this Indian version. Enjoy and subscribe my channel Amma Flavors. Thank you for watching.